Let's finish the open dart now. Therefore, fold the front part at the dart marking as indicated on your sewing pattern, right sides together. Mark the line from the end point to the hem marking using a ruler. Sew along this line with a straight machine stitch. Press towards the side seam. For the hem, mark the bottom edge of your blouse along the lower facing edge and sew along this line, sewing facing and hem together. Clip corner and turn inside out. Form out the corner. Now fold the rest of the hem twice upwards, resulting in a 1 cm hem rolled hem. Top stitch along the hem, close to the edge. Mark your buttonholes on the right side of your blouse. For this, mark the top one and use a ruler for regular intervals. Sew on the buttons on the corresponding height. In your sleeve cuffs. Make sure they are wide enough for your choice of button. For your French cuffs, you'll sew on buttonholes and buttons on the lower half of the cuff. You'll fold the top half down, resulting in the end look. We hope you enjoyed the process of sewing our 61/7 lapel collar blouse with French cuffs. You can find the sewing pattern on our website sistermagpatterns.com, and you can find many more sewing tutorials on our YouTube account. We would be delighted if you subscribe.